Welcome. If you want to set up screen lock in your OPPO A53 2020, let's go for the settings. Next, scroll down, and right now we have to go for the fingerprint, face and password. Click to set lock screen password. Read the description, and after a few seconds click on the continue. Right now we can use this password, but also we can change the type of it. So click here. I will take pattern. So draw the pattern, draw it one more time. Right now we can lock device and unlock by using our new lock method. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.